Sawmills, an important part of the wood industry. Here, on the production line, logs are being sorted, trimmed, debarked and sawn up. This process expels an abundant amount of waste material in the form of sawdust and other biomaterial, which is well suited for pellet production. But before pellets can be pressed, the level of moisture in the sawdust must be reduced. To solve this, SRE has developed the RENERGI Low Temperature Dryer, a highly efficient drying system that utilizes waste heat and can run at very low temperatures while still securing even moisture levels for the output of dried material. This is a system that minimizes production costs. A conveyor system transports the sawdust from the sawmill into the drying facilities. The heart of our dryer system consists of two dryer cells, one upper and one lower. These dryer cells contain the sawdust to be dried. The drying occurs in batches, as well as in two stages, in such a manner that when drying is completed, the damper under the lower cell opens and dumps the fully dried sawdust into storage for completed dry goods. The system dispenses the incoming as well as the outgoing material flow evenly to optimize cost effectiveness of the integrated material handling system. The dust captured in the filters is transported back to the dryer cells. Dry, warm air offers excellent conditions for effective drying. The water content in the sawdust is absorbed by the dry air in firstly the lower dryer cell and then moves on, reheated, to the upper dryer cell. Key features of the SRE low temperature dryer. The drying process is more effective at lower pressures. No warm air is allowed to leak out of the system. The dust is kept inside the dryer rather than spilling out. The water flowing through the heaters can be heated with reused waste energy from the SRE RENERGI condenser system. Temperature, pressure, location, and the measurement inline moisture level of the dry goods is monitored and controlled by a PLC, Programmable Logic Controller. The PLC receives measurement results from a number of sensors located at strategic points in the dryer. When the sawdust has reached the appropriate moisture level, with an accuracy of ± 0.5%, it is transported into the pellet production area. The mill makes sure that no large pieces of wood remain in the sawdust before the sawdust is pressed into pellets and transported to the storage silo. The finalized product is then packed and distributed. What was once waste has instead been turned into a great value-adding resource for the sawmill, with the help of SRE, Opcom Bioenergy, and its low-temperature dryer.